Question 11, it says a farmer planted some bean seeds. When the seeds germinated, 192 of the seeds were albino, a recessive trait. Okay, so we got to know which one is recessive. So the albino is the Q squared. 2,880 were green. So we're going to assume that the green are dominant. Okay, so we're just going to put dom. Now don't forget that dominant could either be P squared or 2PQ. Okay, so it could be either or of those guys, and they would still express the green color, the trait. Now here it says determine the homozygous frequency of the green. So now the homo means the same. So they're asking for the green, so we're saying that it must be the P squared. So it wouldn't be the 2PQ guys they're asking for, because that's not homo, that's heterozygous. So this is what they're asking for. Now, record your answer in 2 decimal places. So, of course, that's very important to do that. So, if we take a look at this, we know that we're going to use the recessive trait. It says 192 are Q squared, but that's just the number of number of individual plants that are albino. What we have to do to find the frequency is take that and multiply it over the total. Now, we haven't determined what the total is yet, because we can see here that we have 2,880 green, but we also have 192 albino. So we have to add those together to find out what the total in the study for this particular for this particular study here, what the total is. So that's 3,072 is the total. Now we need that total because we have to take that 192 of the number that are recessive, Q squared, but to find the frequency, we take the number of individuals, 192 that are albino, divide that over the total in the population, and that is going to give us the frequency. Okay, so when we do that, we find out the frequency is 0.0625. Just carry a bunch of them there. I generally carry about 4, and that's the Q squared value. Now they want to know P squared, so we're going to have to take that and find a single Q by, again, taking the square root of that number. And when we do that, Q equals 0.25. So that's our Q. We're going to use that to go find P. So P equals 1 minus Q, and P now will equal to be 0.75. There's her P. We're going to take that value and we're going to go see what they're asking for. And of course they wanted the homozygous for green, which is P squared. So we're just going to take that 0.75, multiply it by 0.75, and our P squared value is going to come out to 0.56. 2 decimal places. That's our answer right there. Okay, any questions, just give me an email. Thanks.